Hey there everyone, welcome back again to another video of 3D printing which is related to Bambu Lab P2S. In this video we will be talking about how you can load new filament roll inside Bambu Lab AMS 2 Pro. For that, first of all, you need to unlock it. So make sure this is in parallel to this plane. Now I can lift this, and you can do that despite there is a printing job going on, so there is no such issue of loading it. Now I'm gonna hold my roll and I will be putting it just like that. Once you place your roll, next thing here I'm gonna do is I am going to hold it, and you can see that how easy it is, because with one hand I am filming it and with another hand I am trying to load my roll with in AMS 2 Pro inside Bambu Lab P2S. Now you need to push this forward so that the filament can go inside, and now probably I'm gonna push it a little bit more. And since we are actively printing, therefore it is not pulling it completely, but we have done our job and the roll is ready to use. So it will detect when the printing will get completed, but we already have done the thing that we need to do. So if you are loading your roll when the machine starts, it can pull the roll very quickly. So there is nothing unusual in that. You have just perfectly loaded your roll. Now the next thing what you need to do is you can go here in spool and then you can specify what roll it is. Alright, so right now since I am printing, I cannot make any changes, but from here you can simply select on it and can define what roll it is. So that's how guys you load your filament inside Bambu Lab P2S AMS 2 Pro. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. Subscribe to Engineering Pritam for more such tutorials related to 3D printing and other engineering topics, and I will see you around.